감사합니다. 관리번호 1번 수업 시간 시작하겠습니다. Okay, class. Now let's begin today's class with reading aloud today's topic. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I love your loud voice. So as you said, today's topic is multiculturalism. Embracing the difference. Let's read again, please. Multiculturalism, embracing the difference. Great. So let's move on to today's before read activity. So first of all, I'm going to show you one real short English video related to this topic. So please feel free to share your idea after you watch this video. You ready? Eyes on the screen, please. Beep. Okay, so is there anyone who'd like to share your idea? Let me see. Junsan, please go ahead. Oh, I love your ideas. So, did you all hear what Junsan said? So, Junsan said that after he watched the video showing the diverse cultures, diverse lifestyle, he feels he wanted to learn more about the culture. That's right. So, I love your energy and your attitude, Junsan. Thank you very much. So, class, let's move on to the next activity, which is called CQ test. By the way, have you ever heard of CQ? Guess not. I guess not. So CQ test is a test designed to evaluate your cultural ability or cultural knowledge. So basically, this activity is a pair activity. So student on the right, student on the left, please be your partners. Say hello to your partner. And oh, you should work in a group since we have 25 in here. You okay? Thank you very much. Did you all find your partners? Okay, so I'm going to give you a first material one. Please get each. Did you all get that? Thank you. So to do a CQ test, I want you to do a survey interview. So guys, eyes on the material one, please. How many questions are there? Yes, five questions. Can you read that aloud for each, please? First one, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Thank you. So I want you to ask that question to your partner, and please make a check mark if your partner said yes. You ready? I'm going to give you maybe 5 minutes. Ready? Go. Right, time's up. So, student, please get your total score. Please count how many check marks there are. So, let me ask a question. Is there any student to get a 5 point? Oh, 3 and 4. That's more than my expectation. So student who get a 5 point, congratulations! You are already a great global citizen. You're always with enough ability to be a global citizen. Yeah, it's wonderful. Actually, I feel a little jealous of you. And what about students who get a 3 and 4 points? Yeah, maybe 15 here. Okay. In this case, you also have a positive attitude, positive mind to other cultures. That's also nice. And students who get a 2 or 1 point, actually these students need to try their best because to get an open mind to other cultures. But don't worry, we are going to deal with these issues for the rest of the class. So I guess you will get a 4 or 5 point after doing today's activity. Sounds great. Okay. So now let's go back to today's topic. So Did you all understand? Did you all read the topic aloud once again, please? Thank you. So the topic is multiculturalism, embracing the difference. That's right. So why did you think the topic is embracing the difference? Any idea? Oh, Minu, please go ahead. That's perfect idea, Minu. That's wonderful. Thank you so much. Everyone, did you hear what Minu said? So Minu said that it is very important to understand, to embrace, to accept other cultures, even though it's different. That's right. As I always said, nothing is wrong. If the culture is different from us, it's not wrong. So we have to accept it. We have to understand. We have to embrace the other culture. Right, guys. So we are all now prepared to move on to our reading class. So let's move on to reading class. Let's read. Okay, so now we all find out the main idea with the first reading. Now we are going to move on to second reading. Can you guess what the next activity is? Yes, as you all know, we are going to read in detail. Read in detail. So class, eyes on the screen once again, please. Beep. Okay, how many questions are there? Yes, there are 5 true and false questions. So can you read that aloud, please? First one, second one, third. Can you read the third one aloud, please? Yes, Bahu is the traditional dress of Malaysia. And the first one, please. Yes, the principal was most impressed by the Vietnam booth. Yes, and the last one. Thank you for your loud voice. So, I want you to read again to find out the answers for these 5 questions. So, when you find the questions, please make sure to get a clue for each answer. Okay? I'm going to give you all 5 minutes to deal with these questions. You all good? Thank you, and your time starts right now. Okay, time. So let me hear your answer. Answer for question number 1, number 2, and number 3. Number 3. Anyone would like to share your answers for number 3? Maybe. Oh, Jin, please go ahead. That's right. So Jin said the answer for question number 3 is true. So why do you think the question number 3 is true? What's the clue? Did you find the clue? Yes, as Jin said, the clue is on the first sentence in the first paragraph. Student, can you find the clue? Can you read the clue aloud? 1, 2. Bahu, the traditional dress of Malaysia. That's right. So well done, Jin. Let's move on to the first question. Maybe it's time for Minzo, please go ahead. Oh, so Minzo said false. So why do you think this question is for Minzo? Oh, you find the clue in the third and fourth sentence in paragraph 6. Claire, did you all find the clue? Can you read that aloud, please? 1, 2. What impressed me most was seeing our kids, especially the ones that were dressed in their native garb. That's right. The principal was not most impressed by the Vietnam booth. Rather, he was most impressed by the student wearing the garb. Correct. And question number 5. Thank you, student, for your hard work. I can definitely see you check all the single details. Oh, by the way, we have a question, Ninja. Oh, you wonder why there is an underline in the last paragraph, in the sentence in the last paragraph. You have a great sense, Ninja. Actually, that is the part that I want to give a lesson to in the next activity. So class, did you all find the underlined sentence in the last paragraph? Can you read that aloud, please? 1, 2. Let me check. Okay, the last set, the underlined sentence is we are more alike than we are unalike. Correct. So, students, I want to give an example, explanation to this sentence. So, is there any difficult word? Is there any difficult word? Maybe alike and unalike. Okay. So, student, in the word alike, did you have any familiar form? Yes, the word like. Student, what's the meaning of the preposition like, not the verb like? Yes, it means similar. So that means alike has a meaning of similar. Similar, that's right. Then what about the unlike? So what happens if you put the letter on to the word? Yes, the word's meaning becomes reverse. So it means not similar, which means different. That's right, different. So students, can you reread this sentence with the familiar meaning? 1, 2, 3. We are more similar than we were different. So class, since we have a different culture, different nationality, we have a lot of things in common. That is the true meaning of this sentence. Way to go, guys. So you did a perfect job in reading activity. Now we are all ready to move on to our after read activity. Yay! So it's time to express our own idea. I prepared 2 activities. So first of all, we are going to deal with speaking activity. So let me hand out the material 3. Did you all get those? Thank you. So material 3 is also basically done with your partners. So say hello again to your partner on the right and the left. Thank you. You 3, please walk in a group as you did in the last activity. Thank you so much. So let me give a little explanation to the material 3. So how many questions are there in material 3? Yes, 3 questions. What is the first one? First questions. Yes, what culture do you want to explain? In this case, I want you to choose the culture. Choose the culture, which is explained in the text. And the second one, can you read out loud? Yeah, what do you know about it? I want you to write down the information related to the culture. And the last one, please. What is special about it? Yes. What makes the culture different to others? Or what makes the culture unique? I want you to write down this one. So, when you do this activity, it is totally okay to use your own tablet PC to make a survey on the internet. So first of all, I'm going to give I'm going to allow you to do a survey for 10 minutes. 10 minutes to do a survey. You all ready? Okay, please go ahead. Oh, what's the matter, Lisa? Oh, you have a difficulty because you don't have any examples. Okay, let me give you an example of mine. Okay, class, eyes on the screen, please. So I heard that some of you have faced difficulty, so I'm going to give my example. Eyes on the screen. Beep. This is mine, so you may refer to that, but don't try to copy. You're good? Thank you. Okay, class, thank you. Thank you for your hard work. And it's time to make an interview with your partners. So basically, I'm going to give a same time, 10 minutes to do an interview. You can ask these 3 questions to your partners, and your partner will answer based on the result, based on the survey they did. Okay, so please go ahead. Your 10 minutes starts by now. Okay, time's up, guys. So, let's before we move on to our next activity, I'd like to make one feedback. It's a good one, good one. Don't worry, it's a good one. So, I can definitely see that you have an interest in teaching and learning about the other cultures. Some of I was worried because some of you may feel like you would feel like reluctant. You feel difficulty with learning other countries, but you all did a wonderful job. I love your attitude to learn about, to accept the other cultures. That was so nice, guys. So thank you for your hard work. Thank you for your all jobs. And it's time to move on to our last activity, which is writing class. Let's write. Writing class. Okay, class. So let me give the last material 4. So in this time, I want you to work in a group of 3. Please make a group of 3. Real quick. Okay. So group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Thank you. So group of 3. So first of all, I'm going to assign a group role. Since we have a group of 3, we need 3 group roles. So first of all, I'm going to assign a leader role. So leader have to make the discussion active. And second is presenter. After the writing is over, I'm going to ask you to make a presentation of your group idea. So presenter, you will be the one. And lastly, but not least, word master. Word master, if your group member have faced difficulty with word, you have to find out the word and help your group members. So first of all, before we jump to our main writing activity, please make the role. You all ready? Go. Okay, seems like let me check if you had all roles. Read the rule. Please raise your hand. Predator and word master. Okay, it sounds great. It looks great. Then so basically everyone should have a role of writer for each. All of you have a 2 role. First of all, basically writer, and second is leader, presenter, or word master. Is all good? Great. So now it's time to fill out the table of material 4. So what material 4? There are 4 questions. You good? So please fill out the 4 questions. You're all ready? And please go ahead. Okay, group 1. What's the problem? Oh, you have a difficulty filling the first one. What Korean culture do you want to introduce? So let me give a question. So Binu, what do you do last night? Oh, you watched the Squid Game too. Yeah, I enjoyed the drama also. I enjoy the drama as well. So K-drama these days is very popular, isn't it? So why don't you use that K-drama to your group idea? It sounds good? It sounds great? Thank you. And maybe move on to group number 4. What's your problems? Oh, you already did almost everything, but you don't feel the last one. Yeah, I know the idea of fair, it needs a little creativity. So I think you already have a friend of creativity. His name is Chatbot. Why don't you ask your plan about to your Chatbot? You good? Okay, keep up your hard work, guys. Keep up your hard work. Okay, class, it's time over. So it's now time to prepare. It's time to rehearsal for your group presentation. So, presenter, please, I'm going to give you 5 minutes to prepare your presentation. So, and the rule of leader and word master, are you going to do nothing while presentation or practicing his presentation? No, not at all. You have to help him. You have to give him advice. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. You all ready? Go. Oh, group 5. I love your voice, but why didn't you make your presentation much slower? Can you do it again with my feedback? Sounds much better. 여기까지 하겠습니다.